Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix internet gets disconnected when VPN connects Windows. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Network Adapter. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig /flush DNS. Exit and restart system. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand network adapters, right-click tap Windows adapter, click Update driver, click Search automatically for drivers. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.